Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with 1/3x3 sticky note and the adhesive strip on top. Fold it in half vertically and press a sharp crease so you have a clear center line. This gives your plane balance. Once done, open the note and align the left and right edges to that center line one at a time, folding toward the spine so both wings mirror each other. Make sure folds are tight. Tightness keeps the nose stiff and prevents wobble during launch. Now shape the nose by folding both top corners down to meet that center line. You want a neat point because the nose directs airflow. Fold that pointed nose down about 1/2 inch to lock multiple layers together so it won't unfold in flight. Once secured, fold the entire note in half along the original spine, keeping the adhesive on the top. Then fold each wing down from the center so they sit slightly angled. Finish by adding small winglets. Fold about 1/8 inch at each wingtip upward to improve tracking. Give your plane a gentle test throw, see how it glides and listen for wobble. If it veers or dives, pinch the nose slightly to add stiffness or attach a tiny paper tab for weight. If it dives, bend the rear wing edges up a hair. If it stalls and stalls high, create slight nose down trim. These tweaks tune stability quickly without new materials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.